Salam doston. Hi there friends, my name is Hussein. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. If you are new to this channel, my brother Hassan and I will teach Tajik here. And today we have a grammar lesson. And in this class we'll talk about the difference between Hast and Ast. And it might be a little bit confusing for some foreigners, for those who are learning Tajik. They are not the same. Aст and Ҳаст, they are different. And let's start with Ast first. So Ast is like is in English, and it's used to make statements about things. So for example, this is a notebook. In daftar ast. In daftar ast. So is here, this is, we use it in Tajik, we say ast. Next, the pencil. The pencil is next to my notebook. Қалам дар назди дафтарам аст. Қалам дар назди дафтарам аст. Another one, this is my mom. In модари ман аст. In модари ман аст. There's another word which is similar to ast. It is мебошад. Мебошад. And they are pretty much the same. So, for example, this is a notebook. In daftar ast or in daftar meboshad. The pencil is next to my notebook. Қалам дар назди дафтарам meboshad or қалам дар назди дафтарам ast. They are the same. But ast, I would say that ast is more common. Meboshad, you can see it when you are reading something in Tajik. And the last example, this is my mother. In moderi man ast. You can also say in moderi man meboshad. But if you want to show the respect, since she's older, she's your mom, you better say in moderi man meboshand and de at the end. We use it meboshad in plural form just to show the respect, even though there is only one mother, one person. And the good news, in spoken Tajik, we don't use ast and meboshad. You can just say without using ast. For example, this is a notebook in daftar. You don't need to say in daftar ast. This is my mom. In moderi man. No need to say in moderi man ast. The negative form of ast is nect. Nect. For example, my sister is at school. Khoharam dar maktab ast. And negative, my sister is not at school. Khoharam dar maktab nest. Khoharam dar maktab nest. In spoken Tajik, we usually say ne, not nest. So, khoharam dar maktab ne. Khoharam dar maktab ne. And in southern Tajikistan, you might hear people saying nestai instead of ne. So they use nest or nestai. Alright, now let's talk about hast. Hast is similar to there is. So it is used to make statements about the existence of things. So for example, there are 4 apple trees in the garden. Dar bogh chor darахти seb hast. Dar bogh chor darахти seb hast. You can also say dar bogh chor darахти seb mavjudand. Mavjudand is the same like there is. It means exists. Another example, is there any milk? Shir hast. Shir hast. Yes, there is. Ha hast. No, there isn't. Ne nest. Ne nest. And as you can see, here again we use nest. So both for ast and hast, the negative form is nest. Another example, who is absent? Ki nest. Ki nest. And if you want to use it with ast, you can say ki ghoib ast. Ki ghoib ast. Ghoib means absent. The plural form of hast is hastand when you are talking about people. So for example, there are so many people here. Dar injo bisyor odamon hastand. Dar injo bisyor odamon hastand. However, when you are talking about non-living things, you just use hast, not hastand. Hastand is only for people. So, for example, there are 3 balls under the table. Dar zeri mis seto töp hast. Dar zeri mis seto töp hast. Okay, so let's review what we have learned so far. Ast is, equivalent to English is. And hast is there is. And if you want to say there are, that's hastand. But that's only for people. For non-living things, it's hast. And the negative form of both ast and hast is nest. So I hope you learned something new today. Thank you very much for watching. And don't forget, you can find the link to the PDF file of this lesson in the description box. So until next time, khair.